Hello, my name is Marcus, and I am walking through learning Rust by going through the Project Euler problems. Today we're working on Euler number 2, which is even Fibonacci numbers. So the problem is go build the sequence of Fibonacci numbers, sum up the even value terms for values that don't exceed 4 million. All right, let's get started. So we start by running our cargo init to start a new project. Problem number 2, go into that directory, source main, let's paste our instructions, our problem. What happened there? Let's wrap it nicely. All right. That's fine. All right. Okay, and it's all just set up. So I like to get it all started nice and have the things formatted. So we're going to loop through our sequences, and the value is going to exceed 4 million. So let's just do a regular loop because we won't know the value ahead of time. Fibonacci, we need two numbers. F1 will start at 1, and F2 will start at 2. And inside of here, let our number be F1 plus F2. That'll be a new number each time if num is greater than, now we'll start at 100 and make sure we get it right. Let's break our loop. And we'll do our sum there, but right now I just want to print this out and make sure we're doing the sequence right. Num, let's print out what we have, and we need to do the next. So F1 is going to equal F2, and then F2 equals none. You kind of want to do it like this, equals F1, F2, F1 plus F2, like that. But destructuring doesn't, there's a tuple sequence, or a tuple struct data structure in Rust, but the destructuring doesn't work quite yet. I think you have to use a nightly build or something. So we'll just do it a little bit harder, just one extra step, and we'll see how that works. We might run into a couple of issues. No, we don't. So there you go, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 89. That looks like it works. So this one's going to be right quick. We need a sum. Let sum equal 0. We don't need to print them out really, but we do need, if our number is divisible by 2, then our sum is going to equal our sum plus our number. And I think we're done. And let's try that. There we go. The number sum of 42. So that would be 2 and 8 is 10. 44. Gave me 42. Oh, because I didn't start with the 2. So we actually would be wrong here. Let's start with 1, 1. Should be 44. There you go. All right. 2, 10, 10, 34. So I'll leave it to you. You can probably bump this up to, there's 10,000. Let it run. There you go. You can bump it up to 4 million, and you'll have Euler number 2. Pretty straightforward one, and it's not too bad. Be nice to be able to do the tuple switch in one command, but if I try it, you can see the error. So up here, if I say let, I want to do F1, F2 equals F2, F1 plus F2. I'll make that a tuple also. And then this would be F2. It's a little pointless to do all this and having to change it, but and we don't need to do this anymore then. Let's build that. And it says here that you can't assign. Destructuring is not supported. You can read about the nice thing about the Rust compiler, it give you error message, it gives lots of links for learning more about it and explains it. So you can just go back to our original and this would work just fine. So there you have it. Euler number 2. Thanks a lot.